Hello, Dan Brown. This is a video response to your video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You've learned me. You've taught me. I've learned from you, and I'm really thankful because this thing's great. I can solve it in minute 21 now. My average solve is less than minute 40, and my record is 1 minute 21 seconds. I know it's not too good. It's not really even pretty good. It's just okay to solve it like this, but still, I just want to respond to your video because I'm really thankful to you for teaching me how to solve it. So I'm gonna be solving it right now. Okay. we both have bowling boards over our table, although I don't have a sponge ball. I have a dartboard here. No SpongeBob. So, okay, camera, cube. Here it is. Okay, now the timer. Okay, it's going. Okay, yellow, white, green. Oh my god. Okay, let it be blue. Let it be blue. Okay, blue, orange, blue, red. Blue, white. Oh my god. Okay, the cross. Blue, white. Okay. Last one. Okay. First layer solved. No green, so is that it? No, this. Yeah. Okay, well, not as good as I've hoped, but I'm close to my average solve, and too bad it's a bit closer to the slower solve, but still. Minute 43 as an average, I think, and that is okay for not a really advanced cube solver like myself. So then, thank you very much for teaching me how to solve 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. And I also, after watching and learning how to solve this Rubik's Cube, I've looked, I've watched a bunch of your videos, and I think they're really good. I mean your vlogs, because I've actually bought a camera to vlog because I think it's a really interesting thing to do, to share opinions, to like get criticism, like you said. So I think I'm gonna post some response to your vlogs, and hopefully we could share some other opinions and things we have in mind. So anyway, thank you very much, and I'm out.